Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to explain third type of first order first degree differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation. So let us see the differential equation of the form dy by dx equals to f1 of xy upon f2 of xy, where f1 f2 are homogeneous functions in x and y of same degree. Remember, here numerator and denominator are homogeneous functions of same degree. Then the differential equation is said to be homogeneous in x and y. So in this type of homogeneous differential equation, we use the substitution y equals to vx, so that dy by dx becomes, so for derivative we use product rule, so v plus x dv by dx. Okay, after substituting these two things in equation, given differential equation, so that we get variable separable form, and we know just by integrating we solve the variable separable form. Okay, so remember the differential equation of the form dy by dx, which is equals to f1 upon f2, where f1 and f2 are homogeneous functions in x and y, and both are of same degree. Okay, now let us see few examples. So first example is solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equals to 0. If you observe this x square y and this x cube plus y cube, now this term x square into y is of degree 3. Similarly, these two terms x cube and y cube, they are also of same degree. So here all terms are of same degree. Okay, so here is the possibility of homogeneous differential equation. So let us see. So for that we reduce given equation into, so this equation can be rewritten as x square y dx equals to, shift this term towards right side, so we get x cube plus y cube dy. Then dy by dx becomes x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now if you observe this equation number 1, this is homogeneous differential equation because both numerator and denominator are homogeneous functions and both are of same degree, right? And that's why we use substitution y equals to vx, and so that dy by dx becomes v plus x dv by dx. Now we use these two things in equation number 1, and hence we get v plus x dv by dx, which is equals to x square into, now we replace y by vx, upon x cube plus y cube, that is x cube plus y cube becomes v cube x cube. Now x square into x is x cube, right? So x cube v upon, now from this denominator we take x cube common, so that what happens, this x cube from numerator and denominator get cancelled. Okay, also in next step we shift this plus v towards right side, and hence we get x dv by dx equals to v upon 1 plus v cube minus v. Now we do the cross multiplication, so due to this we get this step. Okay, this step. Now after that, here v minus v get cancelled, so simply remain minus v raised to 4 upon 1 plus v cube. Okay, so in right hand side there are only terms of v. Now we separate variables, means we collect terms of v and dv together, also terms of x and dx together, right? And that's why we shift these terms of v towards left side, and that's why we get 1 plus v cube upon minus v to the power 4 into dv equals to dx upon x. Now if you observe, this is nothing but variable separable form, and in previous lecture I explained how to find solution of variable separable form, right? So just by integrating we get its solution. Okay, so for integration, here we separate denominators, right, equals to integration dx by x. Further, now this 1 upon v raised to 4 can be written as v raised to power minus 4, and its integration becomes v raised to power minus 3 upon minus 3, minus integration of 1 upon v is log v equals to integration of 1 upon x is log x. Now since most of the terms are in terms of log, so here we have to take constant log c. Okay, and hence further simplification gives us required solution. Okay, so in this way we obtained solution, and finally we substitute value of v. So our v is, so see here, since y is equals to vx, so v is equals to y upon x. So finally we replace this v by y upon x. Okay, and so that we get required solution. Okay, now let us see the next example. Solve x dy by dx equals to y into log y minus log x. Now let's see, log y minus log x is nothing but log y by x. Okay, so given equation can be written as dy by dx equals to y by x log y by x. Okay, so either solve this equation using homogeneous differential equation, or you may say this is reducible to variable separable form, one and the same thing. Okay, so let us see. So since this is homogeneous differential equation, because degree of this log y by x is 0, right? So we consider only degree of y upon x. So degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is also 1. That's why this differential equation is homogeneous. And so in homogeneous differential equation, we put y equals to xv. So that dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute this in equation number 1. So that we get v plus x dv by dx. This is value of dy by dx equals to y by x. Y is replaced by xv. So we get xv upon x into log of y upon x, that is xv by x. So here x get cancel, right? So here also x get cancel. So simply remain v plus x dv by dx equals to v into log v. Now we shift this plus v towards right side. So we get v log v minus v. Now we separate variables. So for that we shift this term of v, these terms of v towards left side. So we get dv upon v into log v minus v equals to, and shift terms of x towards right side. So we get dx upon x, and this is nothing but variable separable form. So just by integrating we get its solution. So let us see how to take its integration. So for integration we take v common from denominator. Here we make only one adjustment. Okay, we just adjust this v. Now this 1 upon v, we take this term of v in numerator. Okay, so this equation can be written as, same equation can be written as 1 by v dv upon log v minus 1. Okay, equals to integration dx upon x. Now if you observe, this 1 upon v represent derivative of denominator, right? And we have one standard result, integration of f dash of x upon f of x is log of f of x, that is log of denominator. So here derivative of denominator is present in numerator, that's why its integration is log of denominator, right? Equals to integration of 1 by x is log x plus, now here most of the terms are in terms of log, so we take log c. Then next, so here log of log v minus 1 equals to, here log x plus log c can be written as log of xc. Now we take exponential on both sides so that these logarithms get cancelled. So simply remain log of v minus 1 equals to xc. And finally we substitute, we rewrite value of v. So we know v is equals to y by x, and hence required solution is log y by x minus 1 equals to xc. Now take third example. Solve x dy by dx plus y square by x equals to y. Now this equation can be written as dy by dx equals to xy minus y square upon x square. Now degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is also 2. That's why this is homogeneous differential equation. So here we put y equals to vx. So that x dv by dx is equals to minus v square. Okay. Now So due to this substitution, this given equation reduced into x dv by dx equals to minus v square. Here I skip few steps. Okay, so you may try this question, right? Now after this we separate variables. So dv upon minus v square equals to dx upon x. This is variable separable form. So on integrating we get, so integration of 1 upon minus v square is 1 upon v equals to integration of 1 by x is log x plus constant of integration is log c, and hence we get 1 upon v equals to log xc. Now to cancel this log we take exponential on both sides. That's why we get xc is equals to e raised to power 1 by v, but v is equals to y by x. So 1 by v is x upon y, and hence required solution is xc equals to e to the power x upon y. So in this way we identify type of differential equation and carefully we apply the procedure. Okay, so up till this video I have explained three types of differential equation, that is variable separable form, reducible to variable separable form, and third type homogeneous differential equation. Now in upcoming video I will explain non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, thank you for watching my video.